Good morning. I am here to show you how to do a quick quote with Koho. So as you can see, we're at the get the quote screen. Right here, you're going to put in your origin code, and then you're going to put in your date for pickup. And now we have the pickup location type drop down over here. We break this down to avoid things like limited access fees and make sure you know you're getting an accurate quote. So for here, we're just going to do a standard business with a dock or a forklift. You don't need anything special. Uh, Here, you can do the same thing. Now, if you wanted to click business without a dock or forklift, LiftKit's going to automatically check here. You can also add appointments or anything else you might need on there. You're going to want to avoid clicking outside 9 to 5 business hours or Saturday pickup. Both those things are not going to yield you any kind of results. So from here, you're going to go and put in your item description. All this will transfer over directly to the bill of lading. And let's say it's 250 pounds and it's one pallet. 48 by 40, you click on that, it'll automatically populate here. You can always edit this though, so if you want it to be 45 or whatever, you can. So from here, you're gonna go 48. Let's see, freight class. Click down on the drop down and click on class 50. So you're gonna get our built-in calculator. It only works when you filled out this portion though. So when you click here, it's gonna show you, hey, this isn't gonna be class 50, it's gonna be class 175. So click that. You can also utilize an MFC number. Just make sure you enter that in there and you can put the class in and override that. Total units and packages, that's just going to be how many boxes, let's say, are on your skid. So let's say you have 12 boxes of widgets. You can click here and say, yep, that's what it is. You don't have to fill this part out, but it will go in the bill of lading. So if there's ever a lost box or something like that, you'll have that to back yourself up. You can also save all this stuff to your product book. So if you ever want to go, if you're shipping the same stuff frequently, you can click it right here. All this stuff over here, there's blind shipment, temperature control, sort and seg. That's all stuff we don't currently do. Same with hazmat. So right now, this isn't going to be an option for you. And if you click on it, it won't find rates. We're trying to make sure you don't waste your time with anything. And if you did have another skid to ship, just hit add item to your shipment. Now from here, just hit find rates. It's going to be pulling from all of our different carriers right now, seeing who's got the best rate, and it's going to organize it like that. So Expeditors Transcon has the best rate. Good. Click select. Now you have the ability to add insurance. Let's say, yes, I do want to add insurance because the base rate only can go up to $125 on this particular shipment. So for $45, you can get $10,000 of insurance. Here, it's only worth $5,000, but it's a blanket rate. So click next. You're bill lading now. Now, if you're shipping from one location and always from the same location, just save it as a default origin. Save you another step. And from there, you can also go to your address book if you're shipping from a few places, and you can save it in there. So it's just one less thing you have to do. You can do the same thing with the destination. So if you are sending to, say, a number of warehouses or frequent customers, it'll just keep it a little quicker for you. Now, the pickup instructions, it's set based on a 24-hour clock. So you want to fill out your dock hours. Same with the delivery over here. And with the instructions over here, you can say, hey, I have a reference number, or hey, you know what, the place that you're picking up at, you got to go to the side and knock on the door to get to the place. It just gives you a number of options. So if I were to click next, it would book the shipment. It's pretty quick. From here, go to your shipments. You can go and see, you know what, I just booked this. And all the information about what you booked is right here. Documents, your bill of lading will be right here as well. It'll also go to your email. And you can do a live tracking and tracing on this. You can see any charges associated with it. And you also have a nice messaging option here. So if you have a question for us, where's my freight? What's going on right now? I need to add this to the shipment. Here's where you to go and message. Additionally, if you ever have a damage of any kind, you can take your pictures, you can take all your information, and you can start it right here. And our operations team will work with you and make sure this gets taken care of and you get reimbursed for any issues. And that's all there is. You're good to go. If you have any questions for me, please reach out. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you.